Today we are going to make a little bit different chicken recipe. This chicken is perfect to have with fried rice. For this honey garlic baked chicken recipe, we need these ingredients. First we need to cut chicken thighs into medium sized pieces. Then we need to add olive oil, honey, soya sauce, ginger garlic paste, chili pieces, sugar, cinnamon powder, chopped onions, corn flour, pepper powder and salt as per your taste, and give it a good mix with chicken. After that, keep this in the fridge around 2 to 3 hours until chicken marinates. Then line in a baking tray with an aluminium foil or a non-stick baking paper and then put chicken mixture into this and spread it out into a single layer. Now we need to bake this chicken around 25 to 30 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius. After baking 30 minutes, you can enjoy this delicious chicken. But I would like it to be a little bit more darker. So I am going to turn it upside down and bake again 10 more minutes. Like this chicken recipe, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon until we meet again with another delicious recipe.